Did you ever wonder how professionals diffuse their own curly hair? I'm Melanie Nickels and I own Raw Hair Organic Salon in Naples, Florida, and I'm also the founder of Raw Curls Organic Products. So today I'm actually going to show you how I diffuse my own hair. And the first step is I let it air dry 50 to 80% of the way. So you can see this is where I'm at, about 80% dry. I washed it, I put my styling products in, I drove to work, this is my daily routine, and now I'm going to diffuse. So here we go. I'm going to use the Clio dryer with a regular diffuser. There's many different types of diffusers, so it kind of becomes a personal preference. I use different ones at home, different ones in the salon. So this is a collapsible one. It's kind of cool, easy to travel with. It collapses down into, I'll take this off of here, into a flat piece. So that's kind of cool. And then it attaches to any size dryer. So easy to store. Typically I diffuse my hair upside down. I do have it on high air and high heat because this is only what we call a fluff and puff. The hair is basically, you know, a good portion dry, and now I'm just going to fluff it and puff it and scrunch out that crunch. And this is also called breaking the cast. So I hold the diffuser away from my head, and I use my hand as a tool to get in there and scrunch and soften. Sometimes people put the diffuser right in their hair and hold it up to their head. I don't typically do that. This only takes a few minutes, like 5 minutes or less. As you can see, I'm moving my head around. I'm getting the root area. I'm scrunching up the ends of my hair. Now we're going to do what I like to joke around and call the bend and snap, like from Legally Blonde. So we're going to flip the hair back. And then you can take your diffuser and hold your hair up and get the top. Sometimes I flip my head like this and I get the inside underneath there. And that's the same thing on the other side. The other cool thing I'm going to show you is the Deva diffuser. This is a really fun conversation piece. It's the green hand, we call it. People are always interested, like, what in the world is that? It's the diffuser by Deva. It's a green hand. It's cool because the air comes out of all sides of it. This I love for finishing for sure, where I'm going to turn this down a little bit. You can't have it on as high of a heat because it gets right up on your scalp. You can burn your head. But you can put this right up underneath on your scalp to get some good lift. So this is an excellent diffuser. People really love it. You can get right in on the side of your head. Or also, because of the shape of it, you can, do that cupping with the hand. But that's it. So there you have it. Now I'm done diffusing my own hair. Like I said, it's usually 5 minutes or less. And then I go in with some finishing products and just complete my look. So if you like this video and these tips are helpful to you, make sure that you like the video and subscribe.